Electricity was discovered back in the early 1900s by the contribution of many scientists such as Nikola Tesla, Edison, and Marconi. Since then, so many changes have taken place in the production, storage, and distribution of electricity. The demand has been increasing sharply ever since due to the various factors such as a rise in population, industrialization, and living standard. Also, most of the daily activities are now being run by electronic gadgets which consume considerable energy. Yes, you have guessed it. Let's find out what are the best alternatives to conventional energy methods. If we forecast the present demand for the next few decades, the numbers might look scary and introduce us to the new threat, energy exhaust. It's mainly because the majority of the worldwide production of electricity comes from coal, oil, and natural gas. All the remaining oil and coal reserves are simply not sufficient to meet the future demands for electricity. We need to depend on alternate renewable sources such as solar, wind, bioelectricity, and the newer technologies such as nuclear power and piezoelectricity. By the way, we will be releasing a detailed video on piezoelectricity, so make sure that you are subscribed. Solar City, Adani Group, and even Vishaka Industries are striving towards creating solar farms for the future. Significant research is going on in developing and commercializing sustainable energy solutions. Amazon, Apple, Google, and Microsoft are planning rigorously to become carbon neutral by 2050. So let's get some insights on nuclear power. Nuclear power has been stereotyped quite a bit due to its risky nature of being handled, and the government authorities of countries are worried about nuclear power as it might create a catastrophe. As we know, history speaks about the disastrous nature of nuclear power plants from the incidents of Chernobyl, 3 Mile accident, etc. But good days are yet to come where nuclear power is safe and easy by using advanced technologies and design techniques. TerraPower is one such research company started by Bill Gates with a mission to make nuclear energy safer by reducing the risk of catastrophe down to less than 1%, which helps us to meet the future needs. Bill Gates thinks that there is an opportunity with nuclear power to make the future a brighter place to live in. With this in mind, he started TerraPower with a mission to make nuclear power safe and easier to use. Coal and fossil fuels are killing around 800,000 people indirectly every year with the pollution caused by them. And even the nuclear catastrophes lead to thousands of deaths. But TerraPower aims to reduce that down to zero. They are developing a completely new design with minimal human error and a breakthrough feature being using depleted uranium instead of the enriched one. After extensive computer modeling, the idea looked promising. The new design largely reduced the chance of having a human error. With the depleted uranium source, the reactor needs refilling only after a decade. While the whole world was condemning the nuclear power, Bill Gates is pretty confident that his reactor was unique and safe in design. These are the reactors that are built to withstand disasters. Bill Gates approached Chinese manufacturers to mass produce the reactors. But as we know, the US and China have been in the trade war since day one, and this has affected TerraPower badly as it was forced to halt its operation temporarily. Sooner or later, we can expect it to resume its operations and start developing safer nuclear reactors. Thus, we hope the day comes soon where the endeavor of TerraPower and sustainable energy solutions promise the next generations with stable and clean energy sources, and we can confidently say that the feeling of power cut will remain just as a memory. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you up in the next one.